everyone, and welcome to Irina's Crochet Corner. In today's video, we're going to learn together how to do the single crochet thermal stitch. I'm going to start by crocheting a number of foundation chains. That number doesn't have to be a certain number. You can just chain whatever number you want to start with. If you haven't done a foundation chain before, all you have to do is yarn over, so you get a loop over your crochet hook and you pull it through the loop that you have just formed. So again, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay, so I'm gonna skip the first stitch from the hook right there, and I'm gonna start working into the second stitch. And for the first row, I'm gonna just do straightforward single crochet stitches, nothing like new about it. I'm gonna go into the stitch, I yarn over and pull a loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. One more time into the next stitch right there, go into the stitch, do a yarn over and pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this row. So here we are at the end of the first row of single crochet stitches. Now I'm gonna start row number 2 by chaining 1, flipping my work to the other side, and for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna turn my work 90 degrees. I'm gonna hold it this way because what I need to do is I need to work into this stitch, the V stitch that we've just made, and the base, the foundation chain, the loop that is remaining from that foundation chain, we're going to be working into both stitches. So I need to expose that foundation chain so I can easily see it. So what I'm going to do is, like we've already chained 1, so we're going to skip that chain that we've just made. We're going to go into the back loop of the single crochet in the previous row. So if I'm holding it this way, then the back loop is this side of the V stitch, this one. So I'm gonna insert my hook into this back loop and into that loop of the foundation chain. So I have 3 loops on the hook. Now I'm gonna do a yarn over, pull through the foundation chain loop and the single crochet loop. Now I have 2 loops on the hook, and then finish my single crochet by yarning over and pulling through the 2 loops. One more time. So the next stitch is right there. This is the back loop of the single crochet from the previous row and the loop remaining from the foundation chain. I'll yarn over, pull through 2 loops only, and then yarn over and finish the single crochet stitch. One more time. Back loop, foundation chain loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And we're gonna finish the row with the same sequence. So here I am at the end of row 2. I've done my first row of a single crochet thermal stitch, and if you notice, there has been a ridge that has formed beneath that row. Now we're going to start working row number 3. So I'm going to chain 1, turn my work to the other side. Feel free to turn your work into, just gonna move my yarn that way. So feel free to turn your work 90 degrees so you get that loop exposed to you so you can see it while you're working. So now I'm gonna go work into the back loop of the previous row and the remaining loop from the row 2 rows below, and yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the rest of the 2 loops. One more time, back loop of the previous row and the loop remaining from the row from 2 rows below. Pull a loop, 2 loops on the hook, and yarn over and pull through the 2 of them. One more time, back loop and the loop 2 rows below, and we finish the stitch. And that's it for the single crochet thermal stitch. We keep doing the same sequence for as many rows as we want until we reach the needed height. So again, this is a dishcloth that I've made before from the thermal crochet stitch. As you see, there is no back and front side, like the front and the back sides both look the same. It's thick, pretty thick, or thicker than a regular single crochet fabric, and it gives a very good result. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time.